guys, what's up? It's DarkTriforceFilms here. This is a DT Life. Woody's here. We're going. It's our beach day today. At least some of us. I'm gonna be there. Woody's gonna be there. Carlotta and Nova are inside. They're getting stuff, and we're just gonna have a beach day. And I haven't uploaded a DT Life in a while, so here you go. What do you have to say for yourself?
It's gonna be a fun day. I hope we have fun.
We're going to Price Chopper to wait for Jenny, and I'm with Cameron. He was in cable. And we're listening to the Baby Driver soundtrack. That's all we'll talk about.
I mean, we're gonna have to go to.
We got Jenny. Yeah, I need a video.
My first appearance ever.
We got Jenny here. Cameron's driving again. We're on our way there now. We just got to the beach.
Don't look at my scars.
Woody's here. You want to look at his scars? Oh, ew. Oh, here's Cameron. And Sam. Sam's here too. So, we'll have a beach day now. See you.
Guys, I can see England from here.
Ew. Ew. Woody's his interview. How are you feeling so far?
It's kind of hot out.
Yeah.
Like laying directly in the sun.
Well, the sandal
Sam said she wasn't gonna get rid of my concrete that I made, my cement.
I said I wasn't gonna pour water on
Cement, not concrete. But
Start from the inside.
So you excited?
yeah, not really. I've done this before. It's not fun.
I didn't know who this was at first. That there was a man walking over.
It's a good thing that you're filming this, because that helps.
Our beach day is over. I forgot to record a lot. Or at least when... Huh?
You got us during Woody, and I think that's the important.
Yeah, I forgot to film us leaving. My hair looks okay. I was wearing a hat most of the time. Okay, see you guys next time. Bye.
Okay, see you guys next time.
Summertime!
I don't practice Santeria. I got no crystal ball.
No!
Ew, they look gross.
Tell Sanchito that if he knows what is good for him, he best go running high. That he's got a new 45. And I won't think twice to stick that barrel.